All right, guys, another episode of Where Nolly's At. She's about to get her light bar. So I got the custom headlights done. I'm gonna get new lenses for them. Go to the junkyard, get some covers and redo the covers. But my projectors are done. Now I'm adding that light bar. I got my fogs in. I'm gonna get those repositioned and mounted. I just had to figure out the mounting bolts for those. But everything is pretty much figured out now. This is how she's gonna sit. I wanted it at the bottom, but after watching a YouTube video of a Trailblazer, it's really not that bad right there. So he showed it that it shined through the grill with no problem, so that's where I'm gonna run it. And right now it has no grill issues. I didn't have to cut anything because I have these brackets here. Now this is what I did. Took me a drill, and I drilled in there, and as you can see, I have the bolts that come up from the bottom. I use shallow enough bolts that, you know, it goes through the bottom, and bolts like that. So if I ever wanted to take them off, I can. Now, as you can see, even though I'm hitting this, I have the room to, hold on. Wait a minute, let me loosen something. So just so you guys can see, this is how it sits behind the grill. I have cut nothing. You can't even tell it's back there. If I was pulling towards you, you wouldn't even tell that was back there, and I love it. So we're gonna see how it looks at night. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything wired up. We'll do a separate quick little run through on that after I wire everything up. I don't like to hold the camera around while I do things, so we'll get back to it.